Hello. No, I'm just kidding. Let's adjust here. Do I look good in the light? Wow. What a great toolbox. I walked in here, I said, wow, what a great toolbox. My trump's pretty bad. From the circus. All that aside, guys, I'm making this video to do an update on my channel because guess what I'm close to? Ding, 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 ding. I am close to 1,000 subs. And as I promised in some previous videos, I will be doing something spectacular for my 1,000 subs. I'm gonna share with you what that is right now. So, if you guys remember from my previous drill wrestling video, I put up this Milwaukee brushless versus a DeWalt atomic brushless. And the Milwaukee completely ate and destroyed the DeWalt. Like it was spectacular. There's no other word. So, sounded like I had a lot of Makita fans out there. So I picked this bad boy up just for you guys. Straight out of my pocket, no sponsorship. This YouTube channel only cost me money, and that's fine. If anyone out there is looking to sponsor me, I'm a super dope YouTuber. Super dope. You should totally sponsor me though. It'd be awesome. Awesome. YouTube is so much fun. For now. But oh no, all jokes aside. So I just picked that thing up. We're gonna be wrestling. We're gonna do film day next Sunday. Nate and I, the 303 Circus, we're gonna be setting up a bunch of different cameras because I know last time when they started chicken fighting, they kind of went off the shot a little bit, and I had to adjust, and it was just kind of a mess because it was just me filming by myself. But this time, we're gonna change everything up. We're gonna put good views. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be funny. It's gonna be a great time. So, yeah. So once I hit my 1,000 subs, guys, then it's going down, and I'm gonna be changing up my channel a little bit too. I'm gonna start taking this a little more seriously now that I'm close to my 1,000 subs. And for everyone, my 963 subs currently, I just wanna say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. This is just me chasing my dream. I didn't really think, I'm not famous or anything. I'm just a dude, I'm just a working guy like you guys. I'm out here, I'm spending my money doing this stuff. It's just fun to me. So I'm just doing this because I like it and I think it's funny. But if the channel ends up growing, then it grows, and hopefully it becomes something better and bigger, and maybe one day I can quit my job. No, unless you want to. I'll quit my job for you. Okay, fuck. Next update. So now that I'm getting a little more established, I'm getting better at the editing thing, I'm taking more time filming these videos and things like that, I am gonna make a post schedule. So starting every Monday, I'm gonna be posting a long form video. What it's gonna be about, I don't know, it just depends on the week. I have a bunch of different playlists on my channel. Some of them are about tools versus tools, like comparison. There's the drill wrestling one. I have a section just for the Savalanche with me and Nate, 303 Circus. And I also have some 4x4 rock crawling carnage on there. I go out with the 303 Circus Nate, and then Jason and Scott, a couple other people. So we go out and just beat on their trucks. I don't have a rock crawler, unfortunately, yet. I just wanted to say thank you guys, give you a little channel update on what's going on, what I'm changing. I'm still gonna be posting the same content. I've been posting a lot of meme stuff. It's just kind of like filler content. I like comedy a lot. I like memes, so I like to make those. And I just post those as shorts during like the week. But I have been working on videos, and I've been working on editing, so I'm trying to get that done. But yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. I just wanted to fill everybody in, let the people, if there's fans, I don't know if I'd call you fans because that feels really awkward to say, because I'm just a working guy like you guys. I go to work, I do my thing, I spend my money, I go home and I drink a beer, same as you. So yeah, I'm really excited, needless to say. So just once again, thank you guys so much for 963. We're almost to 1,000, and when you guys see that 1,000 mark, I will be dropping the video with the Makita versus the Milwaukee. So thanks so much. We'll see you guys later.